Meaning of hendecasyllable.
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 Hendecasyllable. Hendecasyllable is a literary term that refers to a line of verse or poetry consisting of 11 syllables. This type of poetic structure is commonly found in various forms of literature, such as sonnets and ballads. The word hendecasyllable is derived from the Greek words hendeca, 11, and syllabos, syllable. Poets often use this type of structure to create lyrical and melodic verses, as the 11 syllables provide a rhythmic pattern that can help to enhance the musicality of the language. Overall, the hendecasyllable is a widely recognized and respected form of literary expression.